Hey guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mindy, aka Asian English Teacher. So today I'm going to be talking about the 5 must-have skills that you need in the ESL teaching world. I found that these techniques really helped me, whether it was for my daily lessons on how to get my students to learn, or for interviews, what they're looking for in an ESL teacher. So let's start! First one is speak slowly. I'm not exaggerating. You really have to speak at that speed because students are learning English. This is their second language. They're not going to understand when you're speaking really quickly. So as slowly as this. My name is Teacher Mindy. What is your name? I'm serious, guys. That's the speed you want to go. The second thing is TPR, total physical response, meaning that you're explaining a word and using hand gestures or actions so that helps the student to say the word. For example, you can point to your mouth when you want to teach a word. So I'm just going to teach the word apple, okay? Apple. So that cues the student to watch your mouth. Apple. Another good technique is cupping your ear. Apple. So I'm pointing to the camera and I'm cupping my ear because that shows that I want the student to say the word. Apple. Very good. Okay, so even if they're saying it wrong, I would just still compliment them and go, very good. And then keep cupping my ear. Apple. Another good one is if you want them to speak in a sentence. For example, if I ask, what is your name? They'll usually just say, Allie. I want them to make a sentence, so I'll go, Allie, okay, my name is Allie. So that shows that they need to speak, like say 4 words. My name is Allie. Another great skill is you probably have to teach a new word 3 times. It's really boring if you're going to teach the word hand, for example. If I just say hand, repeat, hand, repeat, it's really boring, right? So there are a lot of different techniques to teach the word hand. For example, I have a microphone. I'll start from quiet to loud. Hand, 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 hand. Okay, that's one of the techniques. Another one is you can show props as well. Oh, hand, hand. They love that one. Another one, hand. Hand. This is a hand. Okay, so repeat 3 times. Number 4, have at least 3 props. When you're doing an interview, they're looking to see that you have props because it's more engaging and interesting for the student. So a standard one is always have a whiteboard. I have a small one here, got it from the dollar store. You can write down things. Just say they don't know how to say a word. You can write down the word. Or it's really great for phonics to spell it out for them. So whiteboard is a must-have. Another good prop would be puppets. So if you're talking to the puppet and then you want the student to say the same thing, so you say it to the puppet first and then you hand gesture and ask the student to repeat. Another prop that I find really helpful is to always have a girl and a boy. So whether you're teaching like pronouns, you can stick a she or he up on here. I also have these like little cards. So when you're teaching yes and no questions, it's always good to have these right here. Okay? They, it, we, you get the point, right? So always have a lot of props. It helps the student to learn. The 5th thing that you need is a secondary reward. So I know for VIPKid and GoGoKid, you have to give them stars or a gem, but they also want to see that you have another reward for the student, okay? So I'll just show you something I do. You don't have to do this, but I have a number board here, and I asked the student, can you choose a number? And then if you think that maybe they're beginners and they don't know how to answer you, I have this dice as well, so I just throw it in the air and I'm like, what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I get them to say, teacher, 4, please. Then I'm gonna show this to them. 4, ready? Ah, it's a Hello Kitty! So I just have their name on a board like this, and then I'll stick their reward, and they're really happy because they're like, ooh, Hello Kitty. Girls love that. I mean, for boys, I have like these Batman rewards. So you don't have to do that. It's just something that I like to do. I think it encourages them, and they feel really happy when they see all these rewards. So those are my 5 skills, everybody, that I think are really important to teach ESL. So let's go over speak slowly, TPR, such as cupping your ear or pointing to your mouth. The third one is repeat everything 3 times. Get the student to say 3 times. Number 4, have at least 3 different props. And 5, have a secondary reward. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this helps your teaching. Have a nice day!